Today, I'm showing you how to create the text behind person effect in CapCut on your Android device. Let's get started. Part 1. Create text video. Step 1. Open CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Step 2. Import video. Select and import your video with the person walking or moving. Step 3. Add text. Tap Text at the bottom, then tap Add Text. Step 4. Type your text. Enter the text you want to appear behind the person. Step 5. Customize text. Adjust font style, color, size, and position. Place the text where you want it to appear. Step 6. Extend text duration. Drag the text layer on the timeline to cover the entire video length. Step 7. Export text video. Tap the export button to save this video with text to your gallery. Part 2. Create behind effect. Step 8. Create new project. Go back to CapCut and create another new project. Step 9. Import text video. Select the video you just exported, the one with text, as your main video. Step 10. Add overlay. Tap Overlay at the bottom, then tap Add Overlay. Step 11. Add original video. Select your original video without text as the overlay video. Step 12. Resize overlay. Zoom and adjust the overlay video to match the dimensions of the main video perfectly. Step 13. Select overlay. Make sure the overlay video, the original video, is selected on the timeline. Step 14. Remove background. Tap Cutout, then tap Auto Removal to remove the background from the overlay, leaving only the person. Step 15. Wait for processing. CapCut processes and removes the background. This takes 10 to 30 seconds. Step 16. Position person. Adjust the person overlay to align perfectly with the text video underneath. The person should now appear in front of the text. Step 17. Preview effect. Play the video. The text appears behind the person, creating a 3D depth effect as they walk. Step 18. Export final video. Tap Export to save your final video with the text behind person effect. And that's it. You've successfully created the text behind person effect in CapCut on your Android device.